You know, I ain't gonna tell nobody you out here being dirty, not washing your vegetables. But let me show you why you should. You see them little small bugs? Yeah, you definitely had some extra protein today. Please stop being lazy and wash that dang on vegetable and fruit. Look how shiny that is. Real pretty, real pretty. Oh, y'all, I have a calling for birds. I love carnivals. Those are my favorite birds. And they just was all popping up while I was cooking. But let's continue. I took a shot, batty, 8 o'clock. I chopped up my carrots, cucumbers. You need kale. You really don't need that much kale because it might look like it's a little, but it's really a lot on them branches. Get you all the bell peppers in all colors. You want to make it really colorful. One bunch really would have did it for me. I only got 2 because it was a deal. I prefer diced and minced. I put smoked paprika, nutritional yeast, onion, lemon pepper, lemon juice, coconut amino, hummus, black pepper, salt, and avocado. Massage it to soften your kale. If you're not massaging your kale, you're doing it wrong. You're going to massage it before you season it, and you're going to massage it after everything is all put in. Look how good that look. All healthy and tasty. I tore that right on up. Oh, I almost forgot. I did put onions and whole chipotle. Let me go and spin out y'all life. Hope y'all enjoy. Bye.